chicken, tortillas, and just 10 minutes. That's all the prep it takes to get these chicken enchiladas into the oven. Hey friends, today we're going to make one of my all-time favorites, chicken enchiladas. They go right into the oven. We're going to use the creamiest Colby Jack cheese, chicken, onion, all wrapped together in a flour tortilla. And into the oven they go. They are delicious, they are easy, and they're a fan favorite. Let's get into it. We begin by greasing a 9 by 13 baking dish, setting that aside. Now I have my cooked boneless chicken. I'm going to add in a diced onion. My chicken is shredded and chopped up very, very fine. I'm going to season that with some salt and pepper. Here is the pepper. And then I'm going to mix this together very, very well, meaning I want the salt and the pepper, the onion and the chicken to be mixed very well. Right behind that, we're going to add in, oh, there's Lily peeking in. I'm going to add in the cheese. Now this whole bowl becomes the inside of our chicken enchiladas. Super easy, right? We had that together in just minutes. I am going to stir the cheese into the mixture so everything is very, very well combined. And we're going to set this dish aside while we start to work on the sauce. Now the sauce, we're going to start in a saucepan and we're going to empty 2 cans of cream of chicken soup into the saucepan along with some sour cream. All of my measurements and the recipe is in the video description. I'm going to take a whisk on a low heat and I'm going to combine these ingredients. I'm just going to warm it up. There's no need to boil this. You're just going to warm it up until both ingredients are combined. Next, we're going to soften a tortilla in order to roll the burrito and to make the burrito perform the way a burrito is supposed to look and go together. You have to soften your flour tortilla. So that's what I'm doing here on the stove in a little bit of oil. I've got the tortilla on there. I'm going to flip it here in a second so that the other side can brown up and get a little soft too. Now you don't want to leave it on here too long because then it will get hard and that's not going to be conducive to rolling a burrito, right? You want to keep the flour tortilla very, very soft. I'm going to take it off and out of the pan and I'm going to put it on a plate with paper towel so that the paper towel absorbs some of that oil. I'm going to then walk over to my station where my burrito mixture is, and I'm going to toss some of the burrito mixture that we made together on top of that warmed up flour tortilla, and I'm going to tuck and roll. See how I'm going to tuck? It's a little hot, and I'm going to roll that burrito until it closes shut, and tucked on the underside, I'm going to lay that in the grease 9 by 13. Now you're going to just keep repeating this until all of your mixture, your chicken, cheese, and onion mixture is gone. So here I am, I'm tucking and rolling again. And I usually get out of this recipe, I usually get 2 9 by 13 pans full of burritos. So it's super easy. There it is. Next, we're going to place the sauce over the top before it goes into the oven. So here is that sauce that we made on the stovetop, the soup and the sour cream, all heated up and warmed together. I'm going to drape that over the top. Then you're going to add a little bit of some chives on top. I'm going to put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes into the oven. Now we just want that to pretty much cook until the sauce is kind of bubbling on the side. All right, here, friends, our chicken enchiladas out of the oven. Smelling absolutely wonderful. So these are great too. You can make these up and then you can freeze them if you want, and you can thaw them out later and have another meal down the road. But here I'm going to pull out one of the chicken enchiladas. You can see, remember we folded them all in that nice flour tortilla there. Got the beautiful, nice, yummy enchilada sauce on top of that flour tortilla. And now we're going to take a bite. It's a pretty super simple recipe. I think it's simple. I've been making this for years. We just had a good little chuckle. This was my father-in-law's favorite dish that I made. Whenever anybody was coming over, he always, or we were having a get together, he always said, "Is Laura making the chicken enchiladas?" So we did have a fun little moment remembering how much he loved these. But I make these all the time. Been making them for years. So You actually need a knife to cut through the tortilla because the tortilla gets a little stiff there when you're baking it in the pan. I'm making a mess here, but I didn't bring a knife over, so I don't want a super big bite here, but I guess it's going to be kind of a big bite. But they're good. They're delicious. Oh yeah, look at that. Falling apart from that nice flour tortilla. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. And here I am trying to do this video. But absolutely delicious. The cheese, the chicken, the sauce, the onions, everything kind of marries together. It's a 10 out of 10. It always has been from where I come from. This is a great recipe. Make it at home. Skip the takeout. Chicken enchiladas right into the oven. Super easy. A great meal. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.